Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to improve your movement in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, one such maneuver known as eyeing involves the strategic spamming of switch buttons. This technique serves as a multiple purposes, including the cancellation of reload animation to facilitate faster reload times. Additionally, it enables players to swiftly cancel weapons, swap animations, particularly when hastily picking up weapons from the ground amidst intense firefights. Slide canceling emerges as another indispensable technique where players initiate a tactical sprint followed by a swift slide. By tapping the jump button mid-slide, players exert precise control over the length of the slide, effectively evading enemy gunfire while maintaining mobility. Snaking, a tactic as elusive as its name suggests, entails maneuvering the joystick forward and backward while intermittently tapping the prone button. This technique allows players to keep a watchful eye on target area while minimizing exposure to enemy fire, granting a tactical advantage in ambush scenarios. Shouldering emerges as a quite essential tactic for players seeking to gain a tactical edge in engagement. By adeptly popping in and out of cover, players can glean valuable information regarding enemy position while minimizing the risk of taking incoming fire. Jump shooting, a skillful maneuver requiring split-second timing, involves leaping into the air during gunfight to evade oncoming enemy shots. This technique capitalizes on the tendency of opponents to target the lower body, thereby increasing the likelihood of landing precise shots on their upper body or head. And that's how to improve your movement in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.